Hello guys! Kumusta kayo? This is Mike once again and I'm back with another video. Today, magluluto tayo ng miswa with patola. At kung bago kayo sa ating channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon notification para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong videos gaya nito. Our miswa with patola coming up next. So yan guys, luto na ang ating Misua Noodle Soup with patola at malunggay leaves. Masarap itong serve kasamang mainit na kanin. At kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments at the comment section box below. please do subscribe and click that bell icon notification para ma-update kayo pag may mga bagong upload sa channel na ito. And please do check out my other social media accounts. Until our next video, this is Mike once again at nagsasabing, happy cooking!